Hong Kong, the only place we can order an Uber and a Tesla arrives for you. So we just arrived to the cable car station. I'm so excited. We're gonna take a glass bottom cable car to the top of the mountain to go see this giant, amazing Buddha. The view from this cable car was so scary. We were so high up and over water and mountains and trees. Don't mind my dirty Nikes. It was maybe like a 30-minute ride, but once we got over the mountains and saw the Buddha, it was breathtaking.
Oh, it's Lantau! We're landing now! We made it! Woo, that was an adventure!
The cable cars took us over the water, up this mountain, and into this little village. Inside the village, they had a chopstick gallery that we unfortunately weren't able to film inside of, but they had hundreds and hundreds of beautifully hand-painted chopsticks for purchase. They had one temple on top of the mountain. The temple was huge. It was beautiful. It was unlike anything I had ever seen before. Inside the temple, they had sacrifices and offerings to give to the gods. And outside of the temple was this incredible stonework. Got my incense. Ready to go. Enter into this beautiful temple. So we are about to light some incense at the temple, and they have this incense lighting station over here. After struggling to light this, a man came and helped me and told me that there's oil down there and you dip the incense into the oil to help get it started, and now we're cooking. So, got my incense going. I'm gonna go pray, set my intentions. This incense holding station was like 1,000,000 degrees, and it was already 1,000,000 degrees. So putting those inside, it was so hot. We finally made it to the Buddha, and it was beautiful. If you guys are ever in Hong Kong, I highly recommend traveling to Lantau Island. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time.